Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on one-handed mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to turn on the one-handed mode where you have good accessibility with one hand, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features, tap on this. From here, find one-handed mode, tap on this, and now this will tell you basically what one-handed mode is about. So it'll temporarily scale down the display size for easier control of your phone with just one hand. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now here, you can go ahead and reduce the display size with gesture or with a button. So we'll go ahead and tap on button. And here I'll go ahead and show you the one hand display. So as you can see, I have much better reach to where I want to tap on the screen. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and tap anywhere, and this will bring it back to full screen. So say for example, if I had an icon here at the top, instead of me reaching out like this, I could just triple tap and then tap on the icon there on the screen. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on one-handed mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.